Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you're both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you how I decorated the space above my kitchen cabinets with Google images and inexpensive frames that I picked up from my local craft store. Now let's get started. To find my images, I simply performed a Google search on kitchen-related items, and once I found images that I liked, I saved them to my phone. I found tons of images that I really loved, but I decided on my top 7, and I got those printed at my local 1-hour Walmart photo center. I ended up paying about $20 for 7 photos, which is a bit expensive, but I was able to upload, reformat, and print my photos within the hour. My original idea was to Mod Podge these images to white canvases, but I opted for these gold metallic floater frames from Micheal's instead. Of course, you can purchase 11 by 14 picture frames from the Dollar Tree and spray paint them the color of your choice, but I opted for these because I really like the wide frames and the metallic gold color. Here, I'm simply placing my image face down, and I'm using double-sided tape to hold the image in place. These frames include plastic instead of glass, so they're super lightweight, and I'll be able to hang them on push pins. I was really happy with what I had so far, but I felt like I needed a little something extra. To stay within my budget for this project, I decided to visit my local Goodwill to see if I could find something inexpensive to add to the space. I ended up finding this really pretty blue vase that I was able to clean, wipe down with rubbing alcohol, and spray paint gold. To protect my paint, I added 1 thin coat of clear satin polyacrylic. I then added washi tape across the vase, and I painted the top half of the vase white. This was my first time using glass paint that I purchased from Micheal's. I didn't think that it was anything special. It was very similar to the folk art enamel paint that I usually use, and my folk art paint is a bit cheaper. I started off with a paintbrush, but I ended up switching to a foam brush to prevent streaks. I also used a warm hair dryer to speed up the drying process between coats. I ended up applying 4 coats to the top half of my vase. I allowed my white paint to dry for about 4 hours before adding 2 additional coats of the polyacrylic. To my vase, I added 2 Capri stems, 3 bunches of eucalyptus, all purchased from Pure One some time ago, as well as this gold berries pick that I believe I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And here's how my above the kitchen cabinet project turned out. I really love how this project turned out. The gold metallic frames really accent my gold hardware, and I think it's beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. What do you have above your kitchen cabinets? As you can see, there's plenty of room for more decor, but you guys know I like to keep things very clean and simple. From traditional to farmhouse to glam, there are so many different ways to decorate this space, and I hope that my video inspires you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!